I love reusing toilet paper towel rolls in crafts because they are easy to find and free. For this project, you need a recycled toilet paper roll, yellow paint, pipe cleaner, yellow, black, white, and red cardstock or construction paper, scissors, glue, and a black marker. Paint the toilet paper roll yellow. You may need to do several coats. Once it dries, cut 3 long strips of black paper for the stripes and 2 white circles and 2 black smaller circles for the eyes. Wrap the stripes around the toilet paper. Glue on the black circles and then top with the white circles. You will also need to cut 2 yellow hearts for the wings and 1 red heart for the sign. The red heart needs to be a little smaller than the wings. Cut the pipe cleaner into 2 pieces about 3 inches long. Twist the pipe cleaners and glue them inside of the toilet paper roll for the antenna. Take the 2 hearts from the yellow paper and glue them to the back of the toilet paper roll to make wings. On the red heart, use a black marker and write "Be Mine" and glue it to the top of the wing. This will be a wonderful Valentine's craft for a preschool class or to share with mom and dad. Thanks for watching and make sure to join me next week.